Dreamstime.com audio.
My name is Anish Singh and I am from Bihar. I am graduated from Rajasthan Technical University, Kota in Aeronautical Engineering. Actually, I was a distance learning program student in IGC, and I would say if you are preparing for GATE, then IGC notes are more than enough. Okay, and solving assignments and mock test, it is more than enough to give. It will boost your confidence that you will be able to sit in the exam and write your exam very confidently. About IGC, I would say the doubt support is very good, and you can ask your questions in doubt groups. There are faculties who will help you always. So this thing I like very much about IGC. If you are preparing for GATE, then you may face failures, but be motivated and work hard consistently. And consistency is very much important to get the desired results in GATE. Of course, I will be going for MTech and then I will be going for placements. That's it.